Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos and very special. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to our channel. So today, we're heading to the restaurant. They're selling fish dish, meat dish, chicken, veggies. Let's go. So we just over here with the Felistas, and at least today we'll be outside. I sant. Okay, that's how Migori looks like. We should have to work. Okay guys, we're looking for the better place. Guys, alright, Migori town, that's how it looks like, and I'm just over here. Hey, you good?
I'm good.
Let me see this name for this hotel. It's Naas Royal Hotel and Restaurant. You eat, you go. You eat, you book.
Yeah.
And guys, it's the most cleanest hotel that we have in Migori County. Maybe one day when you come to Africa, especially in Kenya, to my village, I'll take you here, guys. You know, today we decide we fully outside. Okay guys, me no idea on this, but Felistas told me the way you're supporting me today, let me take you outside.
Yes.
No idea guys. So this is the menu. Sukule vizuri unataka. Achana, sukule unakula chips kuku. Chips kuku. Do quick and fast, because when the servant come,
The
waiters, me don't know.
Chicken curry.
I think it's this one.
Yeah, this one.
This matumbo.
No.
Guys, she tried to look for the best food.
Yeah.
Which she needs. But for me, maybe guys, maybe ugali and fish. Maybe guys. Because even a day when I went to Nairobi, I take only ugali and fish.
Is that your favorite food?
Yeah, I love the fish. Look guys. And the good thing, we sit in a good position.
Yeah.
We eat, we watch our bike down here. Yes, right there, that's our bike.
We take these chips mayai.
Yeah? Yeah, baby, we got chips in my head.
Chips mayai si ni 300.
So what is it?
Sisi ndio
They are indicate there.
Ama nikule
Guys, as long as me I know the food which I supposed to eat, so when I'm going outside there, like no complaining. Like when it's a higher price or a lower price, may I just follow the vibe. May I eat ugali and fish. Even when I go back home, I'll tell my mommy I'm just full. Felistas spoil me in good way.
Not in bad way.
Not in bad way. When I'm saying bad way, maybe I eat the poison of food. You spoil me in a good way. Yeah, you see the fish here. Do the fish right here.
So later wait them to come.
The waiter.
Yeah.
Guys, you wanna say hello baby? Where is that place? Nice place. Me, I was thinking to go in Vanna, but because your pocket can't allow, somehow too expensive.
Yeah, van is too expensive.
Yeah guys, here we go according to the pockets of somebody. Yeah? Samaki si nadhani 500 ama 600.
Na chips kuku.
Na 500.
Chips kuku.
500. Maybe when the food is expensive, you wanna reduce the cost price. Mimi bana nipatie ugali.
Ugali and
Ugali na samaki.
Wewe fry ama dry fry?
Ni sapa ukifika hapo.
Fry ni ile yenye iko na soup then dry fry.
Hiyo nipe yenye iko na soup.
Sawa.
Ni how much?
Ni 600.
Na chips kuku.
Chips kuku ni 500.
Si bei ni ile hawajaibadilisha. Kwani umesahau?
Chips kuku moja. Sawa.
Haya.
Kinywaji fresh juice.
Amnaga Del Monte.
Na Del Monte kuna fresh juice.
Hapo sasa ndio tukifika.
How much?
Na 150 per glass.
Na maji ndogo.
Ndogo ni 100 kwa 150.
Mimi nipatie maji bana.
Baridi ama warm?
Nipatie warm, sasa kuna baridi bana.
Let's juice.
Wewe mletee juice.
Gani? Ya nanasi ama passion? Ama mchanganyiko wa nanasi na passion?
Hakuna mango.
Embe juice. Ajua tena ndani kama hivyo.
Hivi toka unajua ni ngapi?
Moja ni 350.
Na tuone kwa pesa ngapi kwanza.
So na reduce. Okay. Can you reduce? Mpaka zile visu vyangu.
Hiyo tumeelewa jana labda
Mungu mwacha na zile chitamu.
Polisi za hizi ze jana yeye ndio. Tuone kwa simu.
Bye guys. No, what I mean.
Ni kwa nini try to make?
Mbege kiviki.
Elfu moja mia tisa hamsini. Tunaongeza hapa nini?
Yes, I'm so hungry. I keep waiting the food and I enjoy, guys, for the first time. But this don't spoil me in good way. Even me one day will spoil you. Don't worry, one day I'll spoil you in a good way. Oh my, yeah, it's good to spoil each other in terms of food, helping each other here and there. Okay. Guys, people are outside hustling. Look, the guy's running on the motorbike right there. Okay guys, look from other side, yeah? On the other side, there's some construction between first tall building, second third. Hey, haya.
Sister ni hizo passion ama
Umpatie pineapple.
Nipe pineapple.
Dasani. Ngagano nire ngamia.
Ngamia je.
Pateri ni amanene ngano mai nire. Tamani ngano
Si 25 ya maji.
I'm saying.
Edinje.
Kwanza hawa ni 70. Sio ni Dasani. Yanakuwa na bei. Guys, me, I don't want to take any juice. I'm drinking water, Dasan. After the food arrived. Water kulikiru mwenye nango kame. Let me put it here. I'm waiting the food. Look guys. Hey, that one is Suzuki. That vehicle right there. It is cold? Hot? Okay. See, Kenya nuts. Bungoma South Branch. Oh my god. Nut.
That means what?
It's dealing with the level of education. Right now, if you want to go in Kisumu direct, Nairobi direct, because I see most of the vehicles are empty here. Yes, empty. Yeah. You remind me to watch my bike. Yes, that's my bike down here. Hey. For sure. Me, I'm hungry, guys, like a goat. Even I remember on my last night, I didn't eat. Yeah? I came so late. I found my mom have already eaten, sleep. So there's no need to go and knock my mom's door. Oh, mom, I need food. I can't do that.
So you decided to sleep hungry?
I decided to sleep hungry. And in the morning, I just went out. Yeah, looking for the good content. But probably we didn't find it. Hey, that's like this. Pineapple. Like it's organic. No chemical.
What's the meaning of organic?
Organic? Just like you buy pineapple from the market, you take it, you peel it, and then you grind it. You know? Like on this, no chemical. Zero chemical. I'm telling you. This one that you see here. I wish I knew, guys. No, it's your opinion. You decide to eat food or you drink direct. As long as you make an order. Guys, we're still waiting the food as we speak here. Oh, hi. So washing the hand, I'm going inside. So, but right now, me, I'm decided to sit on the balcony. Look. Hey. Good. Why do you sit like this? Don't stress yourself. What do you think?
I'm watching the...
So if you're watching, sit comfortable. Yes, sit like this. Then I'm putting my hands like this. Yeah, like that. If you sit like this, maybe you're thinking maybe you're thinking far away. Maybe your mind is not here. Put mind here. Noratemi video staratemi.
Napiga.
There's an ambulance, guys. Oh my god, sorry for that.
Hello guys, hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to your Felistas. In case you're new in my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. So guys, today we are at the hotel. Yeah, I'm in Hello Baby official.
Guys, I'm just over here and I keep supporting Felistas as I can. But by God's grace, I see your channel is doing good.
Yeah, it is growing.
Yes. Yeah. You just keep posting videos.
Posting.
You're posting? So far so good. How many subscribers did you have?
450.
450. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations for that. Guys, imagine. I'm trying to push Felistas from 0 subscribers up to nowadays. With your sister. Yes. And guys, in case you're new here, go and check Robiga. It's Robiga?
Robbie World. Robbie World? Yeah, she changed from girl to world.
Robbie World.
Yeah.
She's your elder sister.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay.
Yes. So stay tuned.
Okay. Guys, this cabbage here, fish, ugali, and Felistas. Don't look at my food. I wanna put boundary here. Don't look at my food. You wait yours. So guys, anyway, I'm going to wash my hands because hygiene are very, very important.
This fish is looking yummy.
Yummy? Yeah, the food is so yummy. That's the reason why I love fish. I love fish.
Oh.
That's why I love the fish. There's a day I took my mom and also my brother and sister to another restaurant over there, but me, I choose fish. Sinaweza shoot bana nikina mikono humo. Si hamna shida. Guys, I wanna wash my hand. Victor. Baada ya masiku. Haya. Okay. Okay guys, let me wash. There's no water there. Wash it here. Oh, we want to leave it after. And then we use this one. Okay. Wow. Because guys, we left the food outside. Oh. You good? Hey, you have the fork.
My food is here.
Hey. Oh my god. But they make it. Okay. Me, I'm praying silent.
Me too.
Right.
Can we extend?
Exchange what? You need my food? No. You eat. Eh?
You are shining.
Sini hiyo. Mwanzo mekukia kizuri kenama. Yeah, hey. You enjoy. You see that cargo? Fargo? It's the one that I brought my camera all the way from Kisumu. My camera just landed in from US to Kisumu, and then from Kisumu to border town. This GoPro that you see here. And also if one day you get maybe good Samaritan, they'll buy for you a camera.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me enjoy my food. I don't know.
Guys, never try this. Never try this. Yeah? Guys, look. I'm still enjoying my food. This ugali. We do like this. And then like this. And then, ooh. Hello, tomato hatran na kyo.
No, nitakukata hivi.
Oh my god. Hey. How about your food?
It is so delicious. You can see my chicken.
Hey. And also this is my fish here. Look the soup. So yummy. Alright guys. I'm telling you guys, the food was so yummy. We thank God for the gift of life. It's amazing, like a day like this, enjoying the food here and there. Hey, remaining with only kachumbari, tomatoes, onions, and curry. But hello, baby, let me put salt. You finish? Oh my God. Yeah. You know what are very important? Right. You need water? No. Okay. Wow. So guys, from here it's time to go back home, and I'm heading to check my mama. Wow. Look guys, that's Migori. Hey, on the other side right there. I think you can, between this house and this house, there's a hill here, also there's a hill here. Right here. Look. Wow. And also my helmet is just over there, guys. I don't want to forget my helmets. You full?
Yes.
Hey. Also me, I'm full. Thank you for spoiling me.
Welcome.
Yeah, guys, even at night, I will never eat anything because I'm full than nothing. Guys, it's time to go back home. I don't want to left my helmet. Let's go. Alright guys, we'll meet on the staircase. Okay guys, it's time to go back. Whew. I'm full. Even to go down on the staircase, it's something else. Yeah, to be honest, something else outside here. Okay. Get a number plate. Okay guys, right now we're heading home. Let's go. Slowly, slowly. No pressure at all, guys. That's catering car. Hey, people buy here cardboard, everything right here. Yeah, they're selling best quality, good stuff. Wow. It's long distance, but I thank God. And this side they're selling local stuff down here. Another restaurant right here. Right here, right here. Ooh. Guys, please, in case you're new here, subscribe on today's videos at the back. Check Felistas. I really appreciate for the love and support. We keep maneuver around, selling of second-hand clothes on the other side. Wow. Let's go. I'm driving at my own pace, guys. You know that place? That's where they come and take Coca-Cola, you see? Down there. Wow. Right. Wengi. Is Maranatha Faith Church. Yeah. If you belong to a Muslim, Christian, you're ready to go. As long as we believe in God, yeah, nothing's possible. Me, I'm always say that every day, guys. Hey, Harrier. Look that building. It looks like a business house. Okay. Hey, they're selling stones here. I think so. On this side here. Welding. We have a mosque right here. It tells you we have a Muslim around on this place. Around, we have Muslims. And also this is a college right here. Yeah, I'm telling you. This one is a college. Elgon View Vocational Training College. Down there. Keep going. There's a Mercedes Benz down there. Felicitas, when you go this way, you're heading to the airport. Yes. Yeah, guys. We have Migori Airport. Like, it's not an airport. Like, it's an airstrip, right?
Yeah, we don't have an airport.
Yes, airport we found in Nairobi, Kisumu, yeah, Mombasa. But we have airport. Yes, airstrip, I mean. Guys, sometimes my tongue can make a mistake. Okay. Rushing home. Wow. Eh? That's it then. Wow. And there's another restaurant. A hotel, I mean, guys. Sorry, even I think it's a hotel. You eat and you go. When you go down. Yeah. Also, you eat and you go. Yes. You eat and you sleep. Whichever the case, guys. And on this side here, you have Kenya Reef, the most cleanest school that we have. This all compound that you see here, it's Kenya Reef. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I think so. Look the compound, well organized. Okay. Alright guys, so I have the bike here. Wow. And also right here we have who?
Felicitas.
How was your channel?
It is going good.
Yeah. Hey, are you ready for this journey?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow. Guys, go and check Felicitas. And right now I think you're almost 500.
Yeah, I have for 50.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you like only 50 subscriber to be a half of 1K subscriber?
Yes.
Yeah, soon you'll be there, no pressure.
Yes.
You just put videos every day as you can.
Yeah.
Right? So this is the bike. Go like this. That's a police officer. Get in. Wow. So you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright guys, we're heading this way. Right now, I'm on helmet. Wow. Guys, Toyota baby. I'm trying to mentor Felicitas each and every day, each and every minute, so to make sure that you reach the targets.
Yes.
I want to see you smile in this journey. You know, YouTube is a game changer.
Yeah.
Wow, but I never give up.
Yeah.
Put videos as you can, all right?
Yes.
So guys, come along with us for this journey. So that being said, as long as you have I have my baby, anytime guys, I wanna start riding, you know, but in a good way. Okay, let's go. But guys, sorry for the windy on the motorbike. Wait. Let's go. Here the cat tax. It's right here. Okay. Let's go. Guys, please subscribe to our channel. That's the best way you can support us here. You know? Wow. That's Nissan. Hey. And guys, today it's a super calm, but since morning it's gloomy, you know. Got the baby here taking us all the way from our village. That is a cow. Today's a market day, you see. You know, in our village here, there's a day that a market takes place.
Yeah.
Mostly for the cows, during on Thursday and Sunday. And also have other weekdays when maybe other markets takes place. Even today I think so, of selling clothes right now.
Not in our village. Our neighbor village.
Yeah, our neighbor village, guys, you know. Wow. On the other side, they're mining quarry. They like quarry mining, guys. Sorry. Not mining quarry. They're mining, like they're doing quarry, not mining quarry. Wow. Let's go. Guys, we move like that. Heading straight. I'm going at the speed of 20, but when I'm driving, people think that I'm overspeeding. Man, I can't do that. Guys, at least when I have the bike, I can maneuver around. Hey, look. Whoa. That is Tanzanian bike. That's how Tanzanian people drive their motorbike. At least hello, babe. Keep moving. Count the road. Oh yeah. Look at the cows. Siwezi onesha. Nitawaambia pani yako. Hey. I think that they went to the funeral, carrying the body from the ocean. Oh. Okay. But nowadays, guys, I have the bike which have side mirrors, both side mirror, guys, you know. I'm using to see back. Okay. Here, you must be very vigilant. Very careful. Wow. Keep moving on. Guys, sorry for the windy, but subscribe. On the way posted by. No, this sign means there's a bumps over here. So we need to go slowly. Wow. What a bumps, that one. Painted white. It's a long distance, but we keep moving. Wow. Your son, hello baby, is outside. Okay. People wonder what this hello baby doing on the road, guys. Woo! Okay, super green everywhere. Highland Road on the other side. Wow. Guys, that's how we move and show you where we're heading to. You know, look how big people build, man. Nice, very nice. Wow, super clear. Kids are pushing the bicycle right there. Hey Honda baby. Hey. But I don't know why I love Honda machines, like motorbike, vehicle. I don't know why, guys. I don't know why. You know, even me, I wonder. Unajua kidogo ni side mirror zinasaidia. Niingie kwa lami. Siko nimeona hiyo gari. Okay. These are Suzuki. These are Nissan doing matatu. Wow. Guys, I'm so humble. I'm so proud. And they're always supporting me, guys. Let me support each other, and I want to see each other, guys, succeed in this life, this journey. Why not? Wow. What is this machine? Oh, kalale. Ndio anka masupu. Wow. You know, on this road, guys, when I'm driving, I meet some, like, so many friends. Hey. And guys, we thank God for the gift of life. As long as we're alive, God give us good health, we are breathe, and why not? We're supposed to show you how. And the journey to Mombasa, guys, it's so close. I think on May, the month which we're heading to, I want to travel to Mombasa. Okay, that's Masai guy right here. Let's go. Felicitas,
Yes.
did you go to Mombasa? Okay. You just look for the money and you'll be ready for the journey because Mombasa is far away. Like you can go like twice, you know, going to Nairobi and then coming back. That's the journey from here, from our village to Mombasa. I'm telling you. I think almost 20 good hours by bus.
From here to Mombasa.
From here to Mombasa, from our village to Mombasa. Yeah. Me, I'm telling you, you're supposed to be very careful looking money. As long as when you want to make your time to be grow, show people like different things, you know, amazing things, different places. Not every to your village. You know, I'm planning that. That's my city space. Oh, yeah. Keep go. Hey. Hey. Alright guys, our journey is too long on the motorbike. The girl is riding. You know, back here to see some ladies riding the bicycle. Something new. Something new. Yeah. Nowadays it's common. So this is also a restaurant. But anyway, let's move. Guys, sorry, I'm so confused with the restaurant and the hotel. What's the meaning of restaurant?
Restaurant? Where people buy food and eat and they go. But a hotel,
Me, I think, yeah.
a hotel is having the rooms where people can sleep, where people can live, and also have the hotel inside. Like people can eat there, sleep. That's the hotel. But restaurant, you can go there for
food and then you go.
yeah.
Okay, I get you guys. I haven't knew guys difference between hotel and restaurant. Restaurant is where you take food and you go. Hotel is where you eat food and you book the room.
Stay there for 2 to 3 days.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your advice. And also guys, you have a nice house here. It looks like a commercial house. Up there. Okay, we're on this side here. Keep moving. Guys, we're remaining with 6 minutes to reach our destination. Yeah. Okay. Wow. These places are very, very congested because people move up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's move.
Kwenye screen.
Wow. Let's move. Let's move, let's move. Wow. Heading straight. I see the guy struggling with the right there. Pulling the car like crazy. Wow. But guys, we keep pushing these videos, and also we thank God for this amazing journey. We keep rolling the camera to the end. No? We have traffic here. I want to show them. Guys, it's crazy. We have traffic officer need to cut taxes. Also, we have municipal what municipal council they want to cut taxes. So which is which? Go to the traffic or to the municipal people? We do. We cut both sides. But in I think in Kenya, it's so collapsed. Like good and corruption.
But you don't know about other countries.
Yeah, guys, let me. They cut tax.
They cut
Traffic. Guys, let us know in the comment section whether in your country where you came from or where you're living, you are cutting both tax, municipal at the same time. Immediately, guys, they're traffic. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Because in Kenya, guys, we so corrupt, and the other places we didn't have good roads. Every day you pay tax. Every day we cut tax. We cut tax. But all in well, let's go. No idea. As long as our parents put something on table every day, no idea at all. Wow, look at that. Okay. Guys, I don't want to drive longer on the motorbike while I'm talking with you guys. So I want to do things to be shorter and then drive, you know. But the good thing about in our village, everywhere we find some green vegetation, you know. That a mattress, Migori. All the way from Nairobi. Wow. Please guys, subscribe to our channel, leave the sweet comment, and guys, support us, you know. Me, I always say thank you a million times because you people, you're amazing. We have solid subscribers outside there who support me by watching my videos, supporting me financially. May God bless you. May God bless you. Without you guys, I could maybe sitting somewhere else idle, without doing anything, guys. But through you guys, I'm shining. And I want to make Felicitas to be shining, guys. To be supportive to their family, putting something on their family. And one day when they eat good, they will remember Hello Baby is supporting me. And also Felicitas, when I'm supporting you, please, when you succeed on this journey, you can choose who you want to help, he or she, alright? According to the agenda.
Yeah.
Wow, I love that. You know, don't be jealous. Like, oh, me have been succeed. You want to help people? No, help people. When your heart try to push you, like, let me help Hello Baby. You try to help. You know? You help your part, and the rest left for the God to help. Yes. And also, you know, God help people who help themselves.
Yeah,
You must know that. Like for example, the way I help you, you try to help by yourself.
Yeah.
God need that. Okay. Okay guys, look at that tall girl there. Saya tu sayang. Tuingie hapa leo. Hata hakuna watu. So unaingia unauliza. Kanambe mkawahanterana. Na wako na maredio tu. Okay. Keep moving, guys. Making bed down here. Woo! Let's go at our own pace. Look at it. Yeah. So that's the biggest SDA church on the other side, guys, right there. Wow, Prado. Hey, Nyamira Express going to border town. That's Life Care Hospital right down that tall building. We go. That's highway, like flyover. I mean. Oh my God. Welcome to Migori town, the most cleanest town. Alright guys, it's time to go in border town. So right now, just over here, that's brother Dagi. We're heading to border town this way, guys.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's pending by the time that you are watching this video. We are coming one-on-one from Nyabohanse village.
Yeah.
We are at home in the village.
Yes.
I'm having my brother Hello Baby official.
Just over here, guys.
Guys, if you're coming from this channel, kindly please go check me out. My YouTube channel name is Brother Dagi. Support me, show me some love, and always positive vibe. We are here, we are moving outside from the village. We are going to border Sirare.
Right now
We are heading there. Guys, consider subscribing, like and share to your friends, and one love to everyone. Let's do this. Let us show you how East Africa, Kenya is looking.
Okay.
Let's go.
Guys, Hello Baby on the motorbike, like that.
Like that way?
Guys, I'm wearing the gumboots today.
We are heading like this.
Yes, this is my gambut, guys.
This is the gambut.
Right here.
Right here.
One love. Guys, one love.
You know, I'm having the mason at my home, guys.
Yes.
I'm constructing my dream toilet. And it's really going well because we have get a support from you, our good viewers, and we really appreciating for the support. So right now what you are doing, it's about showing you what is happening in the village here and there. And guys, one love to you. If you want to know how the project is going,
There's a church.
that's your church.
Yes, right there.
Yeah. If you
Let's
want to
go.
know how the project is going, go check my YouTube channel. You can watch the videos from there, guys.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
How is life, fellow baby?
Life is good, bro.
Yes.
I thank God for the gift of life.
Yeah.
So I'm just hustling.
Yes.
A day like this, I'm outside.
I can see God is good.
Yes.
Maybe tomorrow you're gonna be able to start a dream house to belong to mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know
Yes.
dreams are varied.
Yeah.
And always guys, when we are sharing this story to you, one thing we know is one day we're gonna be able to sit somewhere and then we make a story like, you know, people are coming from far.
Yeah.
You know, and we believe we can make it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tuende sasa. Alright, guys. I'm sitting like a goat on the motorbike. I'm so tired. So that being said, we're heading to Border Town. We want to see what is going on. And right now, this is a dump site here. Wow. Guys, sometime a day like this, it's crazy. Hello, baby, to where the gamble. You know, since all morning at this moment. Wow, look, it's the dump site. Yeah? Morning job. Hata jana nilikuwa sijui kwa nini. Jana nilikuwa kwa Priska hadi Bukaira. Jana niko tema no mono leo. We almost meet the tarmac road, guys. You know.
God is good all the time.
Yes. Yeah. Let's go. So this is the tarmac road on the other side. You know, that's Matatu right there. Okay. Wow. Heading Border Town like that. Ooh. Okay.
Let's go.
We go to Border Town, guys. Every day, guys, I show you. I'm never complaining to you.
One love, Jamaican people.
Wow. Today's a gloom day, guys. No sun. There's Matatu.
Labda ni kuimili hano sokani na bonicha tu.
Okay, guys. Me, I'm so
fully
tired.
outside.
All right. Okay.
Nikopeshe chai.
Okay.
1 minute, I'm coming. Hello, baby.
Tante, 1 minute. Guys, we continued our journey to Border Town. Oh, hey, right, hey, Honda, that's my dream car, guys. I'm telling you. You see that house? One day could be my dream house. Okay, Border Town. That's Honda. Wow. Guys, subscribe to my channel, give a video a like. And guys, I'm almost to 7K subscribers. Enough love. Hey, the trailer parking here. Yes. On the other side, that's where Rich hide. I'm telling you. Yeah. That's the car wash right there. Right now, guys, at this moment, the maize is coming from Tanzania. All this road that you see here, it's bringing maize from Tanzania. I'm telling you. Yeah? Ego supuhara. That's a TX. This is border town for you. Okay guys, on the other side there's a KK tuk-tuk. Oh wow. That's how border town looks like. Very in the morning, people are outside hustling. Okay. Wow. On this side here, there's a police post. No phone snatching, no camera snatching here. Right here. Look. Some retail business here outside. Okay. Selling of the beds right there. Every car wash. Wow. That's a KK or tuk-tuk. Alright guys, let's go. The Machoma zone right here. Okay. Kasongo the control. Yeah. Minofu imeiva sana.
Hapa vipi ndugu yangu nakwambia.
Sasa baba
Sababu jinsi unaona jinsi alivyo kamanda.
Bosi ameenda.
Bosi kidogo ametoka.
Oh.
Ila hayupo mbali. Mambo fine. Unaona jinsi anavyokaa.
Kama hii. Guys, right here we have the barbecue.
Ile supu iko sawa. Imeshakuwa. Bado kidogo bado haija. Kidogo tu.
Okay guys. This is near Machoma zone. Okay. Wewe utakabwa shati wewe. Unaongeaje? Ndio kitu mzee atorage leo tama senti. Tole kona. Tugere. There's a day you find me here eating. You didn't hear. So today maybe you offer soup.
Yes.
I already sorry, Mara.
Guys, let me give you the reality story. Yes. You know, when you see me with Hello Baby around here and there, you just know that there is something going on. Because, you know, Hello Baby is a good brother on me. And most of the time we are sharing ideas and advice. But I thank you, brother, being around with me, yeah. And actually you subscribers, you are showing us some love, you know. You are trying to see us, you are growing together. That's a good thing, guys, you know. And
but you, brother Dagi, to be honest,
yes,
you have more subscribers than me.
Yeah, it's true, it's true. Hey. You know what makes me to be at that point, guys? You know, I was doing streaming by the time I was in Qatar, and it's about God, you know. Yeah, so right now, guys, we are heading to 15,000 subscribers. Hey. I have remaining with around 25 subscribers to reach 15,000. So, guys, kindly, please, let's do this. 25 people to reach 15,000 subscribers. Let's subscribe at Brother Dagi YouTube channel. Show me some love, and we do this like boom, we reach there. And also push my brother up to 7,000
I'm
subscribers.
almost. Right now,
brother.
I'm running with around 30 subscribers.
You will be there. I wish you all the best, and God will make it to happen.
Apart from that,
yes,
let's put something on the table, bro.
Yes,
I'm so hungry like a goat.
Yeah.